on this channel, I share awesome machines I discovered. So the other day, I was scrolling through YouTube and came across this little wild machine. It loads itself, mixes concrete, and even drives it to where you need it. I was like, how have I never seen something this multifunctional before? After watching a few more videos, I realized it fits this really specific kind of job. Not hand-mixed concrete, not full-on battery plants either, but something right in between. Perfect for small to mid-size temporary job sites. And then I noticed the labels on the machine were in Chinese. Guess what? I'm in China! So I did a quick research, found the brand's official website, gave them a call to ask if I could visit, and they said, yes! And they were super friendly about it. So let's hit the road and check it out. Welcome to Machines Discovery, a channel where I share the cool stuff I find. Subscribe to the channel now, I promise there's a lot out there worth discovering. We are setting out from Beijing, heading all the way to Shandong province. Shandong is known as the hometown of Confucius, but it's also one of the most important hubs for China's heavy machinery industry. Our destination today is Laizhou, a small coastal city about 570 kilometers from Beijing. It's actually known as the hometown of small construction equipment in China. As the birthplace of Confucius, the Confucian values of kindness and propriety still influence the local culture. People here are warm, polite, and very hospitable. And let's not forget the food. And wow, the portion was massive. We were seriously impressed. 这就是山东. Good morning. It's 8 o'clock a.m. and now we are going to the factory. The next day, we will head out for the main event of this trip, a factory tour at SQMG. When I first entered the factory, I saw two really interesting small machines, a mini skid steer loader and a compact version of a self-loading concrete mixer. The factory manager told me this little one costs only about $2,000. 现在我们已经来到了山汽重工的工厂。这款自上料的搅拌车，其实就是把上料、搅拌、运输集为一体，成为一个多合一的产品。它的铲斗可以自己上料，直接倒到这个罐体里面。下面这个轮子呢，就可以把它整个开走。现在去参观他们的产线，这里是我们的第一站，走。然后上面写了禁止拍照。那我们需要戴一个安全帽。This factory covers around 9 hectares, about 22 acres. From cutting and shaping steel plates to welding, assembly, and final testing, there are more than 10 production steps to turn raw materials into finished concrete mixers. On average, they produce over 50 self-loading mixers per week. This machine here is using a laser cutting system to create small openings in the steel plates. It's a very accurate and clean process. Wow! Did you see that? In the welding area, they use a combination of manual spot welding and robotic welding. This helps improve both production speed and welding precision. That's really amazing. That's cool. Mr. Wang introduced me to their boring and milling station. This step is important because it ensures that the holes in the components are well aligned, which reduces wear and helps the machine last longer. After that, the metal parts go through gritting and polishing, and then electrophoretic coating to remove surface impurities and protect against rust. Normally, painting is also done here, but we weren't able to film the painting process this time, which is a bit of pity. These buckets here have already been painted and are now drying before installation. In the assembly area, there are 3 production lines running at the same time. They install the engine, cabin, mixing drum, and chassis here. Some parts are moved using automated transfer robots to make the process more efficient. These finished machines are now fully assembled, and waiting for final inspection before delivery. 王答应我说，我可以去驾驶一下他们的这个自上料搅拌车，太期待了，好兴奋呀！我马上就可以驾驶这一台自上料的搅拌车了。哦，哇哦！ 挺简单的，挺简便的这个操作，对这个驾驶的体验感还是不错的啊！所有的动作操作都很丝滑敏捷，然后最主要的是非常的简单。就我这样一个第一次驾驶的新手，也完全能够掌握它的全部每一个动作，还是可以的。第一次开搅拌车，以前从来没有开过，我开过装载机。 开过微挖掘机，但是这是第一次，这次已经有了这个经验，下次就可以说自己会开搅拌车了。OK， 那我们现在要去看一下他们把这个搅拌车下线之后，要来这里做一个质量的检测，然后试运行。他们在这里是用沙子完成这个环节的。 Before a machine leaves the factory, they always run a full test using sand instead of real concrete, just to keep things clean and not mess up the brand new machine. They put it through the whole process, loading, mixing, driving around, and unloading, both when it's fully loaded and when it's empty, just to make sure everything works like it's supposed to. 刚刚王说他这些产品呢都会在这儿装箱，然后。 就海运 FOB 发走。The lunch at the factory was pretty good, except for one dish I didn't expect. It's called 知了猴 in Chinese, which is actually the larva of cicada, a kind of insect. It's a local delicacy, but for me, it was hard to eat. The factory produces more than 20 models of self-loading concrete mixers, with capacities ranging from 0.2 to 6.5 cubic meters. These few models are their most popular ones right now. This product is easy to operate and highly mobile, especially useful for small construction job sites such as cement roads, canals, and other basic concrete tasks. The most popular model is the one I just tested, 3.5 cubic meter version. Its price ranges from $20,000 to $25,000 US, not including shipping. So that's the end of the first episode of Machines Discovery. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment. I hope to make even better videos for you next time. A lot of thanks from Miranda. Bye!